Hey folks, this is a look at WS 5.5b3, multiplying mixed numbers. Remember, it has to be in the form of fraction times a fraction. So these first two, these are improper fractions. You have to make them into, these are mixed numbers. You have to make them into improper fractions. So Mrs. Carlton calls it the hook, where you multiply down and then add up. So 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 will give us 5/3 here. And same thing, 1 times 5. Add the 1, there's the hook there. You'd end up with 6/5. Take a look both directions, see if you can do any cross reduction. You can divide here by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Oh wow, we can cross out here too. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So when we got all the cross reducing done, all we have on top is 1 times 2, which is 2. And 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 over 1, or 2 divided by 1, is simply 2. Okay, let's do jump down in the middle here. Get it set up for the right form. So we're going to multiply down, add up. 2 times 8 is 16 plus the 2 would give me 18/8 times 2 times 3. Do the hook thing again. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 gives me 8/3. Okay, looking sideways here, we got a couple things we can do. First of all, we can divide by 3. Do this in blue since I'm kind of running into some black ink here. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Here we can divide these guys as well. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1. We just multiply across. 6 times 1 is 6 on top. 1 times 1, 1 on the bottom. 6 divided by 6 is 6. They're not all going to work out that way. Here, this one will be something a little bit different. All right, do the hook, multiply down, add up. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 1 is 16/5. And this one here, 1 times 3 plus the 2, that gives us 5/3 again. We got nothing cooking here with the 16 and 3 that we can do. We can divide by 5. It's going to help a lot. And just simply multiply across. We got 16 on top. We got 3 on the bottom. Okay, 16/3. That's really the same as 5 and 1/3. And if you forgot how to do that, here's a quick tutorial. Here's 16 divided by 3. Go in there 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract out, we got 1 left over. Here's my answer, 5 and 1/3. 5 wholes and 1 part left out of 3. Okay, good luck. I'd like you to do both sets.